Here's how to fix your Instagram account was temporarily locked. Now, if you're getting this message that your account was locked, I'm going to walk you through why you might be getting that message and how to recover it, how to get it fixed again so that you can get into Instagram, use it, scroll, post, all that stuff. But first, hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. So you might be getting a message. It might look like this. It says your account has been temporarily locked. It says we detected a suspicious activity, so we temporarily locked your account. It's usually a result of either you or a third-party service trying to enter in the password and it's just not working, or it's not the correct password. So if you try to log into your Instagram account a bunch of times entering the wrong password, or if there's a third party, somebody's trying to hack into your site or into your account, it will temporarily lock your account to help prevent anybody from gaining access to it that is not supposed to gain access to it. Now, to get your account back, you have two different options. One, the key thing here is it says it's temporary. So it is not a permanent lock on your account. If you're okay waiting, you can just wait, a few hours and then go back and try again, try the password again. This is important to understand whether it's you who temporarily locked it or somebody else. So if a third party temporarily locked your account, then that's really bad. You want to make sure you go in here and tell Instagram that somebody's trying to hack into your account. Or if you just don't want to wait, you can always get it back and get everything working again. I'll show you how to do that. Let's hop out here. We'll open up Safari or Chrome and we'll just type in Instagram account locked. Now, at the very top, it says, I can't log in. We'll tap on that, and it will give us a bunch of different options in terms of recovering the password, if you think your account was hacked, something like that. So go through here and see what makes sense for your current scenario, and then read the description and follow those. But let's say I think my Instagram account was hacked, and we go to visit this page. Now, the cool thing here is that it says, why, Instagram request Instagram support at the top, and why can't you get into your account? And you can say my account was hacked if it's temporarily disabled or temporarily locked because somebody is trying to hack into it. You can tap that. You forgot your password. You don't have the phone number or email address that it's sending a code to. Someone used your name and information to create a new account. My account was disabled, or something else. So let's say you are trying to log into your account and you are the one that temporarily disabled it or locked it because you just couldn't access it. You couldn't get your email address or phone number to work. So let's tap on this middle one and hit next here. And then we can type in our username. Mine is Trevor Nace, and hit next. And then it'll pop up with certain things that you can do. So it will go through all of these steps. And it says at the very bottom, if you really don't know your password, you can reset it. So you can tap reset password here. You can go through all of these steps to try to reset it. If you really don't know what your password is, it's not sending the code to your email address or your phone number, you can go down here and say, I lost access to the email or phone number. And then here, if you go through here again, if you go through all of this different stuff, it will give you information. I need help logging into Instagram. And then I want to recover my Instagram password. Basically, you got to go through all of these different things. Eventually, you'll get to a place where you can submit your photo ID or some kind of verification that you own that specific account. And if you don't see anything on all of these that says, was this helpful? You can always hit no, and you can hit other, and you can write a description here and give them some basically information about what happened to your specific account. But the idea here is that you want to follow all of these steps to try to recover that or disable that temporary lock on your account. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.